What's up, you guys? It's Michelle here. Thanks for joining me today and welcome to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to be doing my dashboard spread, so stay tuned for a fun plan with me. All right, and I'm going to use Spring Things by Cassetic Plans. It is available today, March 1st at 10 a.m. Central Time, so I'll be sure and have my affiliate link in the description. And I'm going to do a quick flip through before I do the plan with me. It's so pretty. There are going to be some paper stickers and some clear stickers. So this first set is really pretty, like blue, kind of a slate blue, a little bit of an aqua tone in there also, and it's all about like rainy vibes. So we've got like some doorways, some windows, all the rain gear, some books that have been rained on, and then we're going to have that same page. It looks a little bit more greenish in the clear. And then we're going to have some single clusters of the blue flowers and the grass with the rain on paper, and that same set on clear. And this is so cool. This is one piece, a border piece of rain. And then we have a little flower border and some clouds and rain like puddles. Two of those on clear. And the boxes that go with that set are going to be this dark teal, medium teal, and like a tan color. And there are some of the larger and longer boxes and bullet points, and those beautiful clusters that Cassetic Plans always has in her books. Two of those. And then this next set is so cheerful and sweet. I love it. It's daisies, and it's got a lot of the brown, like wood accents. This is paper, and then this one's clear. And then we're going to have a full sheet of just the single daisies, daisies in vases, clusters of daisies, and even like a little birdhouse. And we've got a frame here that's on paper, and this one's on clear. These are really, really fun accent pieces. These are all on clear, and they're like little watercolor swatches and just different little patterns. Two of those on clear. And the boxes are going to be the brown, like that marigold yellow, and then more of a mustard. And then there are the larger and longer boxes and bullet points. And here are the clusters. I think they're so much fun. Two of those. And then the next set is really dreamy with all of these butterflies in this blue and yellow. Look how pretty that is, that watercolor. And look at all the butterflies and the flowers. So that one was paper, and this is the same sheet in clear. And then we're going to have this set with the little white picket fence, the little walkway, border pieces, side pieces. That was paper, and then this one's on clear. And these are gorgeous, these butterflies and these purple and blue flowers. That one's paper, and then that one's clear. And here are the boxes that go with that, like the lavender, it's like a bright cobalt blue and then a softer blue. And there are the other boxes that go with that set, and the clusters. I have 2 pages of those. So this one is called Spring Things. All right, so let me go ahead and grab my pages and we'll get started. I think I'm going to use this. I was torn between the daisies and this rainy day spread, but we're actually getting some rain today. It's looking very overcast, so I think I'm going to use this one. So I think I'm going to start out with this beautiful like window scene. I'm going to go ahead and wipe this stuff out. This, and this, and this. I think I'm going to do this window up here. Some of this rain or the clouds. That's pretty. I like that. a little bit more of the clouds here. And let's go ahead and put some over here, or I kind of think we should do it here. Okay, and now let's get a little bit of this rain. Let's see. I'm going to separate it. So I can use more of it. Get a little bit here. And here. And there. Okay, and then we'll put this here. And this one right over here underneath this cloud. And I want to put the umbrella over here. And let's put the puddle over here in this corner. Let's go ahead and get some boxes. So over here, I want to do, since there's a lot of this color, I'm at least going to start out with this little tan colored box up here. And let's do a larger one right here. We'll just put this like this. That one, and let's go ahead and do a slender one here. Okay, perfect. And over here, let's do a large box. And the lighter teal, a double box. I'm going to pick that up for a minute because I don't know. I don't want this right under that. So I'm going to put it over here. And then we'll just use a little bit of it. Perfect. All right, and let's do this coming from here, like coming down towards the umbrella. Oh, that's cute. I'm going to go ahead and add some lines to this box. And I made a couple of quotes on the Cricut. I made this one large so I could put it over here in this spot that says April showers bring May flowers. Okay, perfect. And then a couple of the little ones to go over here. How about if we do these books right here? Yeah, I think those look cute. And I'm just going to trim out behind it. Okay, looking good. Now let's get some function over on the other side. I did see over here, I forgot about these grass pieces. I think I want to use that instead of this. So there's a little bit of greenery in the window. Just think that adds a little extra pop of color. Okay, and let's do a few flowers over here too. And we'll do the rest of it right up here. Let's do a little greenery there and a little bit more flower action. I have enough rain over here. I'm going to move this over here and then add these flowers on this side. And it's still rain too, so but that way it's kind of more evenly distributed. Okay, looking cute. Put that puddle scrap there. And I want to do the rain boots for sure. Let's do them there, and I really want to do this raincoat. So I don't know how I'm going to fit that in over here, but I'm going to make it work somehow. Somewhere down here would be good. Yeah, let's do it there. And let's go ahead and add some boxes, and then we'll figure out what else we're going to do. Okay, on Monday, let's get this box here. Then for Tuesday, let's do a darker teal. Then for Friday, let's do a slender, one of each color teal in the teal colors. Or we could do like the khaki color, the beige. Let's do that since it's a lot of that color already right there. And we need a box here. We could do, we'll just do one of this teal color and do it over to the side. Okay, and now let's add some bullet points. I think for that I'm going to just do the two teal colors. And then here, And let's also add some on Sunday. Okay, looking good. Let's drop off our 2 quotes that I made. I have Hello April. I think I'm going to do that on April 1st. We'll do that right up there. And then No Rain, No Flowers. Let's do that on Saturday. And then we just need to add our functional words and maybe some flags and finishing touches. I need to add that it's my son's birthday on the 5th. Let's do the plan right here and then check it off for the long list. Okay, and we'll do Get It Done right here. And Today right here. Okay, we'll just do this lighter teal right here and here. Let's put this YouTube schedule right here. And we'll just use that little camera to signify reels. And we need a few more flowers over here. And we'll put this other little patch of grass that's cut for the corner right there. A little rain there. Let's have a little bit of rain coming down from this box over this raincoat. Okay, let's do it like that. And then we'll put our Today going this way. All right, now I want to shade in these little things with one of these markers. These are some I found on Amazon. They're kind of a square shape. They're really cool looking and they come in different color combos. But let me see which color, green or blue, would look the best. I would think it would be one of these. Let's try, not that bright green. Let's try this one. I think that's too minty. Needs to have a little blue. That's too green. I'm thinking this one is going to be the right shade. Perfect. It's a perfect mix of the blues and green. I'll be sure to link these in the description. They're also in my Amazon shop. I'm kind of thinking of shading every other one of these lines just to give it a little bit more color. What do we think about that? I don't want to mess it up, but I guess I won't know until I try. So I'm going to start with Monday. Then we'll do Wednesday. I think it looks kind of cute. It just adds a little extra something. I like it for a change. All right, that's going to be my rainy day spread. Thank you guys so much for hanging out with me while I put it together. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, and I can't wait to see you in the next video. Bye.